When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Siva Nag recipes with me, Chef Siva Nag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare Amaranthus fry. This is very simple recipe, same time it's healthy. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take one pan and add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder, cumin seeds, chana dal, mustard seeds, white urad dal, and give a quick mix. Now add red chilies. Instead of red chili powder, I am using here chili flakes. Now add 1 cup of finely chopped amaranthus. Combine everything. Fry it on a low flame. Now add required amount of salt and give a good mix. That's all, amaranthus fry was ready. Try this simple and healthy recipe and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare potato suji fingers. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Siva Nag recipes and click on the bell icon.